How to use one name on Facebook for Android and iOS. Did you
क्या
know that
आप सेल्स
Facebook
में
actually allows you to use just one name on your profile, no last name required? If you've been trying to figure out how to pull this off the right way, this video walks you through the exact steps for both Android and iOS in 2026. Welcome back. Today we're covering exactly how to set a single one-word name on your Facebook profile using your Android or iOS device. Completely legitimate, no tricks, no violations. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Understand how this works before we begin. Facebook's name policy requires most users to use their real full name. However, there is a known legitimate method using Facebook's language and region settings that allows single names, as some cultures and regions around the world traditionally use only one name. This method works by temporarily switching your Facebook language to a region that supports single name profiles. Step 2. Open the Facebook app on your Android or iPhone and tap the three lines menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the language option and tap it. Step 5. Change your Facebook language from English to Bahasa Indonesia. This is the key step because Indonesian language settings on Facebook support single name profiles, by default reflecting local naming conventions in Indonesia. Step 6. After changing the language, go back to your profile and tap Edit Profile. Step 7. Tap on your name field and delete your last name completely, leaving only your first name or your chosen single name in the name field. Step 8. Tap Save or Review Change to confirm your new single name. Facebook will process the change and your profile will now display just one name. Step 9. Once your single name is saved successfully, go back to Settings, find the language option again, and switch your Facebook language back to English or your preferred language. Your single name will remain saved even after switching the language back. Pro tip: before making this change, make sure the single name you choose clearly represents your real identity. Facebook's terms of service require authentic names, and if your profile gets reported and reviewed, using an unrecognizable or fake single name could result in your account being flagged or asked to verify your identity. Stick to your real first name or a name genuinely associated with you for the safest experience. And that's your complete guide to using one name on Facebook for Android and iOS in 2026. Simple, legitimate, and it works on both devices. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments, are you switching to a one-name profile? Drop your thoughts below. See you in the next one.